In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a singly linked list. So here we have A, B, and C, and our goal is to turn it into C, B, and A. The first step is to point tail to the head, and you will see why later on. The second step is point current to the first node, and we also have the previous pointer here. And just forget about the head and the tail. We'll see it again later. Let's pause for a moment and see what we've done so far in the pseudocode. We've pointed the tail to the head, and then we have the current and the previous pointers where current points to the first node. Then we have a while loop, and we're going to repeat these steps over and over until current is null. So what exactly are these steps? Well, they are these ones right here. The first step is to create the after pointer. So that's after points to current.next. Now, the next step is to reverse this link right here. So we want to point this in the opposite direction. That's this line of code right here. So current.next points to previous. We're going to point previous to current, and then point current to after. So that's what these two lines do. And we can safely ignore the after. So just make it disappear. And this is what we have. And now we're ready to repeat these 4 steps. The first step is to create the after pointer. We reverse this link, so point it in the opposite direction. That's the second step. And the third step is to point previous to current. And finally, the fourth step is to point current to the after. And then just make the after disappear. Just ignore it. So at this point, you might see the pattern. The first 2 steps are for reversing the link, and the next 2 steps are just setting up for the next reversal. And we're almost done. So let's do these 4 steps again. The first one is to create the after, and then we reverse this link. So point it in the opposite direction. And now the third step is to move previous to current, or point it to the current. And finally, we point current to the after and ignore the after pointer. So here is the full pseudocode for reversing a linked list. We've already covered the first part, and we've also covered the 4 steps inside the while loop. Now notice that the while loop is going to exit when current is null, which is the case here. Current is null, so we exit from the while loop, and now we're onto the last line inside the code. And that last line is head pointing to previous. So what does that mean? Well, here is previous. And if you remember from the beginning, we still have head and tail on the first node. So basically what we're doing is pointing head to the previous. Now, we no longer need previous, so we can just ignore it. So we just have tail and head at this point. So this linked list right here is equivalent to this one. So you can draw it like this, and it would mean the exact same thing. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below.